Hey guys, how's it going? How to add your own sound to TikTok. So, launch the TikTok app on your device, right? And then tap the plus button to create a new video. Okay? Record a video or upload one from your device. And after recording or uploading, tap on sounds at the bottom of the screen, right? And then tap on my sound if it appears. Then select the audio file from your device. The file needs to be in a compatible format, of course. Once uploaded, it will be added to your video. You can trim it if needed, and after editing, post your video as usual. Now your custom sound is a part of your TikTok, right? I can show you because there will be a lot of sounds and probably there's gonna be a copyright on that, so you get the gist. That's one of the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.